Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're keeping fine and safe in this pandemic situation and your studies, your exam preparation, everything is going on fine. So welcome. Today in this video we are going to discuss about nbhm, which is for MA or MSc. Okay. Now, nbhm for MA MSc, the National Board for Higher Mathematics, which is nbhm, was set up by the Government of India under the Department of Atomic Energy DAE in the year 1983 to foster the development of higher mathematics in the country, to formulate policies for the development of mathematics, help in the establishment and development of mathematical centers, and also give financial assistance to research projects and to doctoral and postdoctoral scholars. nbhm functions essentially autonomously, framing its own budget, taking into account the funds made available by DAE. Now coming to the eligibility. Only candidates belonging to one of the following that I am going to discuss in these categories can apply. First, students holding a first class in BA or BSc degree in mathematics, or studies or students holding a BA honors or BSc honors degree in mathematics with at least a second class. Secondly, students in the final year of BA or BSc program expecting to complete the course by the next year with a first class, or in case of an honors program at least a second class. Thirdly, students with a good academic record who have already completed or expect to complete by the next year 1 year of a recognized MSc program in mathematics. Fourthly, students who have completed or expect to complete by the next year 3 or 4 years of a 5-year integrated MSc program in mathematics with cumulative marks or grade equivalent to a first class. This is all about the eligibility. Now talking about the scholarship. Successful candidates will receive a scholarship of rupees 6,000 rupees per month. Now this rupees will be received during the 2-year period of the postgraduate program. The scholarships are sanctioned for 1 year at a time and are renewable at the end of the year, subject to satisfactory progress. Students who are selected for this award of the scholarship when in the final year of the MA or MSc or 5-year integrated MSc program will receive their scholarship for only 1 year. To avail the scholarship, students have to be enrolled in a recognized postgraduate program in mathematics, definitely in India. The scholarship will be disbursed through the institution that they will be joining. Now coming to the selection procedure. Selection will be made on the basis of a written test, which will be followed by an interview of shortlisted candidates. The written test is usually held on Saturday. The test will be of 2.5 hours duration and involves questions requiring short answers, primarily in the areas of analysis and algebra, but also in other areas of mathematics covered in the undergraduate mathematics programs, which you have already learned. The written test is usually conducted at the centers that I am going to mention here. Firstly, Zone 1. Zone 1 comprises of Chandigarh, New Delhi, Srinagar. Zone 2 comprises Allahabad, Indore, Jabalpur, Raipur. Zone 3 comprises Goa, Mumbai, Pune, Vallabh Vidyanagar. Zone 4 comprises Bhubaneswar, Guwahati, Kolkata, Ranchi and Shillong. Zone 5 will have Bangalore, Chennai, Cochin and Hyderabad. Okay, these are all about the zones. Now coming to the question, very most important question, how to apply. Applications on plain paper should be made in the format that I am going to give you, which is given by nbhm. They should be sent along with a recent passport size photograph of the applicant affixed to it and a self-addressed envelope to the zonal coordinator of the zone in which the candidate wishes to appear for the written test. Addresses of the zonal coordinators of each zones are provided every year by nbhm. You can get them by logging into the website. The envelope containing the application should be superscribed nbhm, MA or MSc scholarships. Each candidate should clearly indicate 2 centers from the zone in which she or he wishes to appear for the test in order of their own preferences. Now coming to a communication calling the applicant for the written test, that is the hall ticket, together with the allotment of the center is sent to the candidates. In the event of an eligible applicant not receiving a communication regarding the test by the mentioned date, he or she should contact the zonal coordinator to whom the application was sent to find out the status of the application and for appropriate remedial measures or what can be done next. A hall ticket sent by a zonal coordinator is necessary to appear for the test. In exceptional cases, eligible candidates may be admitted to the test at the discretion of the center in charge of the appropriate center. For this purpose, the applicant must contact the center in charge suggested by the appropriate zonal coordinator. Information about the test centers and persons in charge may be obtained from the zonal coordinator, nbhm website, or by contacting the nbhm office directly. The office address of this nbhm is Anushakti Bhavan, CSM Marg, Mumbai 400001. The email address is msnbhm@dae.gov.in. This is the email. Okay. Now the website, the official website is www.nbhm.dae.gov.in. This is the website. This is the email and this is the website. The pro forma for the National Board for Higher Mathematics application for MA or MSc scholarships in mathematics, you will be required to paste a photograph of your own. Then, firstly, you will need to fill up your name in block letters. Second, date of birth. Third, nationality. Fourth, gender, which is male or female. And fifth, choice of 2 centers for the test or the examination in order of preference from the list of centers in the zone to which applications is sent. So I have already mentioned about the zone, you can refer to that. Sixth, you have to mention the address for correspondence in block letters with the pin code obviously. Seventhly, email address, your own email address. Eighth, telephone, landline with STD code or mobile number. Ninth, name and address of the current institution of study or affiliation if it is applicable. 10th, you need to mention your class in which you are currently studying and course if it is applicable. 11th is details of academic qualifications beginning with matriculation, school leaving certificate or equivalent or if any other is applicable. 12th, any other relevant information in support of your candidature including awards or scholarships. 13th, whether you have applied for nbhm scholarships in the past. If yes, then you have to give years of the application, whether called for test or interview, and what was the outcome of it. So you have to mention all this. Now, the very most important question, how to prepare for nbhm. nbhm test should be given by the candidates who are willing to or already have devoted their lives in the field of mathematics. The candidates who appear for nbhm face a strong competition as the scholarship and the admission through this test is sought by candidates from all over the nation. Moreover, the syllabus and difficulty level of this examination is of proficiency level. Candidates are required to prepare and study the topics from postgraduate and graduate level. nbhm previous year's papers is also very important. Candidates can find nbhm previous year's question papers and mock test papers on the website, the official website of IMSC Institute of Mathematical Science. It is the official body that hosts this kind of examination. Preparation through mock test papers is a wisest step in order to secure good marks in nbhm exam. To get this nbhm previous year's question papers, candidates have to go to the website of IMSC, then click on the nbhm model question tab on the home page. A list of nbhm question papers and answer keys will appear in that. Candidates can click on the question paper link which will open in a new tab and then in the PDF form and then you can follow that. nbhm interview preparation. To prepare for nbhm interview, candidates can refer to the mock test interview videos available online. As per the feedback from previous candidates, it has been observed that the questions apart from core mathematics syllabus are also asked. So majorly to check a candidate's conviction and commitment for nbhm, questions are asked to test them. So I have given you the details of nbhm, what are the zones, what is the eligibility, what is the exam all about, everything, and even how to prepare. So if you are into mathematics and you think mathematics is the only thing that is possible, your life is dedicated towards mathematics and you love maths, so definitely this is for you. Just follow the video. I have given you all the eligibility, all the criteria that is required, how you can apply, what are the zones, everything is clearly discussed. So I hope this thing is clear with you. So all the best with your career ahead. If you think nbhm is the one for you or you are the sole candidate that can be appearing, who can be appearing for nbhm, so all the best for your career. So keep preparing, study hard, and hope that you will like this video. Have a bright future ahead. With this, I'd like to end my video here. Stay happy, stay at home, and stay safe. Thank you.